Hello everybody, this is Mini Bike Madness, doing an update on my 1971 or 1972 Steen's Taco Super Trail 100 mini bike. Gotten quite a few more things done to it, went through it, cleaned it up a little bit. I don't have the rear fender and fender mount on it right now because of what I've been doing, but still waiting on my replacement seat. Because obviously everybody that knows about taco mini bikes, that this is not a taco seat. It's a Cat 400X seat as far as I can tell. But I got a Tecumseh HS40 engine, so I could actually make this period correct with the engine that I'm using. And I end up adding what is it called? Zigzag mufflers, HS40 custom made pipe instead of the original Tecumseh tailor-made exhausts or whatever they were called, dogleg mufflers, aka. Just because the new old stock of those is ridiculous priced. I didn't want a crappy old ratty one I'm gonna pay $150 for that's rusted out practically, so I got one that looks just like it, but it's brand new. Big deal. Let's see here, what else? I didn't go with the Hunt Wild grips. I wanted something a little bit more comfortable to ride with, so I looked for the most vintage, I guess, looking style grips I could find from the new manufacturer, and I've always liked Scott's grips, so I went with their model that's called Mellow, and went with the gray and the black with just a simple block, and man, they're nice and grippy and comfortable. I do got to take my brake lever off and clean that up. As you can see, it's a little rustied up, if that's a word. I got to take and remove this side case, and I got a new one to replace it, because this was originally a snowblower engine and it had the PTO shaft sticking out where the camshaft would be, and it got cut, and I got a replacement new old stock camshaft and the correct side cover to remove this hole here. But yeah, everything's looking good so far. I'm gonna keep the original paint and just keep it wiped down, being that it's still somewhat decent looking, and want to keep that original. Not exactly sure what I'm going to do with the front forks, being that they're scraped up there. Somebody must have had a number plate or some crazy crap on there. Well, anyways, I'm going to take and probably most likely put some old school decals on here just to cover it up. It'd be a simple fix. My kill switch needs a little bit of work. She's a little crusty, but I haven't gone through everything on it yet. Still waiting on parts. Got a gasket kit and all the seals to freshen up this engine again. I'm going to take the head off and pull the valves and lap them so they got a nice good clean seat on them, and go through the carburetor a little bit more, clean it out, because it does sputter a little bit at lower RPMs, but runs good on the top end, so I've been running it for the meantime. But yeah, pretty soon I'll have the correct seat, have my engine done up 100%, get my fender mount back on it, and then she'll be practically 100%. Besides a couple little doodah bullshit things that I plan to still do, cleaning up the rims and other crap like that, just to make it look a little better. But here's the update. Hopefully it ain't too windy for you. No, it's a little windy today, so apologies for any audio if it's a little windy in the mic. But yeah, here she be, almost completed. Alright, this is Mini Bike Madness, signing out, and I'll see you later.